every day.
Boy, this a party a boring, sir.
Cindy, see the girl when you Tiana when me I tell you about?
Oh, I see that? How when them two girls they look over here and a chat me for? Girl, we talk about anybody we want to talk about. We come from uptown.
Tell her again, Cindy, the girl don't even have a degree.
Girl, let me tell you something. Me have my degree. See it ya?
Girl is an online degree, dot.
Stop arguing with the girl, Snow White. You know, see the girl can't look good like we. Okay, first of all, let me tell you something. You, Miss Cinderella, maybe if you start wear your size and take care of them candy on your toe and learn to walk in a heels, maybe you will stop walk out of your little piece of glass slippers. Me can't believe she just said that. Me can't know. Jesus Christ, me slippers.
Cindy, how you run gone? Stay and make we cuss the girl. Come here, so she can't get no man. A frog she have your keys.
Girl, what you know about me? First of all, me have 7 man. Sleepy, Weepy, Deepy, Cheapy, Peepy, Creepy and Leroy. And all of them would not make one. Imagine you have 7 man and you don't have nothing. All tired body kunumunu girl. Come out here and go on your yard.
But you see me dying, child. Me can't believe she does say that to me. Me can't know.